Hello there. Today's video is about how to use hashtags effectively. I am pretty sure that you have already heard the term hashtags. A hashtag is a word prefixed by the hash sign in social media. We can use a hashtag inside a social media post to assist others who are interested in our content. It aids in drawing attention to your content and encouraging engagement with your readers. With hashtags, you can drive more views, likes, and shares to your brand's social media posts, and increase the number of people who see it. Now let's see what are the fundamentals of a hashtag. There are 5 fundamentals of a hashtag. First one is, they will not function if you include spaces, punctuation, or symbols. Second one is, you should have public social media accounts. Otherwise, the posts with hashtags will not be visible to anybody who is not a follower of your account. Third one is, keep it simple. The most effective hashtags are often brief and simple to remember. Fourth one is, make it relevant and particular. Fifth one is, use minimum amount. Keep the amount of hashtags you employ to a bare minimum. More is not necessarily better in this case. Those are the 5 fundamentals of a hashtag. There are some widely used popular hashtags. According to data from June 2021, some of the most popular Instagram hashtags are hashtag love, hashtag instagood, hashtag photo of the day, and hashtag beautiful. Now let's see what are the benefits of using hashtags. First one is, hashtags increase the amount of time your followers interacting with you. Second benefit is using branded hashtags increase brand awareness. You can create customized hashtag for your company. It can be a powerful tool for promoting your brand and generating discussions. Third benefit is demonstrate your support for social causes. You can use a hashtag that is associated with a cause or problem, and it is a great approach to rally support for a worthy cause or issue. Fourth benefit is adding context to a social media post. You don't have a lot of room to write a caption on Twitter, so make it count. You have a total of 280 characters to be precise. Using a hashtag may be a quick and easy method to contextualize what you're talking about on social media. Fifth benefit is, hashtags make it easier for your target audience to reach you. Users may follow hashtags and other users on LinkedIn and Instagram, as well as other social media platforms. Another method of assisting new consumers in finding your business is to make use of a few prominent hashtags. Now you know what is a hashtag and what are the benefits of using hashtags. But do you know how to find effective hashtags? If no, don't worry, I got your back. There are some tools we can use to find effective hashtags. RightTag is one of those tools. RightTag provides instant hashtag suggestions in the form of instant suggestions. Hashtagify.me is also a website that helps you to search for hashtags based on their popularity and trending topics. Keyhole is a free search tool as well as real-time statistics on a variety of parameters. Keep in mind to search for keywords relevant to your content on social media sites to see what hashtags appear in the results. Additionally, make advantage of social listening tools to get an understanding of what consumers are talking about and any trends that you may be able to apply to your business. There are no definitive solutions when it comes to deciding which hashtags to use or how to approach your social media campaign. A great hashtag strategy begins with understanding your target audience. When it comes to connecting with your followers, hashtags are an excellent tool that can also be used to increase engagement and attract new consumers. I hope you have an excellent knowledge about hashtags now. If you like to get knowledge on digital marketing concepts like this, subscribe our YouTube channel. Also, you can visit our website by using the link in the description. See you again in another video.